Hello, I'm Amos and I'm here to speak to you about installing your Techniflo drum pump. When you purchase a Techniflo drum pump, you'll receive two items. You'll receive a motor and a pump tube. On the pump tube you've got a coupling which needs to couple into the motor. We also recommend that in your drum you have a barrel adapter which holds the pump tube in place. So you put your pump tube into the drum and you get your motor and you sit it on top and you tighten it up by twisting the hand wheel. You need to make sure that there is no thread shown above the hand wheel. If there is, it means it has not coupled correctly. You have a on-off switch, and on your pump tube you've got a 1-inch hose barb to attach your discharge hose. You attach your discharge hose, you can buy it with a nozzle on the end. You plug your motor in and you turn the motor on via this on-off switch. If you have any further questions about your Techniflo drum pump, please do not hesitate to contact us on info@techniflo.com.au. Thank you.